Now we go to question 11. First we read the question carefully and give proper placement of each item in the question. From the following trial balance of Messrs. Raja and Rani, you are required to prepare trading P account for the end date 31st March 14 and balance sheet as on that date. Note debit balances. Plant and machinery is an asset. We have to write A. Goodwill is an assets. Rate A. Furniture also assets. Rate A. Now coal and gas water is direct expenses. It's a TD. Land and building is an assets. Rate A. Purchases is also direct expenses. TD. Postage and telegram is a indirect expenses. Rate a PD. Export duty is also indirect expenses. It is a PD. Now wages and salary. Here first word is the wages is direct expenses. It's a TD. Now rent and taxes is indirect expenses. Is a PD. Now cash in hand is an assets. Rate A. Freight is direct expenses. Is a TD. Now prepaid rent is an assets. Rate A. Sundry debtors is an assets. Rate A. Insurance is a indirect expenses. Is a PD. Now opening stock, it is the first placement of trading account debit side. It's a TD. Now discount is a indirect expenses. It's a PD. Now credit balances. Capital is a liabilities. Now sales is a direct income is a TC. Sundry creditors is liabilities L. Now 12% bank loan is liabilities rate L. Here hidden adjustment is given. Rate of interest is 12% and loan taken date is on 1st October. From 1st October 13 to 31st March 14, it comes 6 months period. We have to find out the 6 months interest. It is to be added in loan account and second effect will be on PL account debit side. We find out this one. 12% of 40, it comes 4,800 and half of this one rupees 2,400. First effect is added in loan account and second effect PL account debit side. It means a PD. Now see in adjustment. Closing stock in hand valued rupees 61,000. First effect is a trading account debit side and second effect on asset side. Now goods distributed as a free sample. Free sample, first effect is a trading account credit side and second effect PL account debit side. Now postal stamps in hand on 31st March 14 was valued rupees 700. It is to be deducted from postage and second effect on asset sides. We have to take out the postage. Here it is postage, tick 1. Now next, fourth adjustment, provide 5% interest on capital. It is to be added in capital and second effect on PL account debit side. We have to take out the capital, Raja's capital and Rani's capital. Now next, fifth number adjustment, prepaid insurance rupees 900. It is to be deducted from insurance and second effect on asset side. We have to take out the insurance. Here it is insurance. Now next, provide reserve for doubtful debts at 5% on debtors. It is to be deducted from debtors account and second effect on PL account debit side. It means here nothing is bad debts. Separately we have to write RDD. We have to take out the sundry debtors account. Here it is sundry debtors. Now next, seventh adjustment, wages paid for installation of machinery were included in a wages account. It is to be deducted from wages account. Deducted from wages account and second effect added in machinery account. Added in a machinery account. We have to take out the wages and machinery. Here it is wages and here it is machinery. Next one. Depreciate machinery at 5%. Depreciation, it should be deducted from machinery account and second effect on a PL account debit side. We have to again take out the machinery, plant and machinery one. Okay. Now we go to answer sheet. Answer sheet is like this one. Messrs. Raja and Rani trading PL account for the end date 31st March 14. Debit side, credit side, particular rupees, particular rupees. First we try to complete the trading account. Here first placement is opening stock. We find out the opening stock. See, here it is opening stock 39. We write firstly to opening stock. Rupees 39,000. Next is purchases. See the purchase amount. Rupees 2,32,000. Right, 2,32,000. Now we go sequentially TD item. Coal, gas and water. Right here it is to coal, gas and water. Coal, gas and water. Rupees 4,300. Now next is a wages and salary. To wages and salaries. Tick is there. We have to write in inner column 31,000. Okay, find out the tick. Seventh adjustment. We have to subtract from wages and add it in machinery. Right here it is less machinery. Rupees 5,000. Deduction comes rupees 26,000. Okay. Now next one. Freight. Freight is trading debit side. Rupees 6,200. Now see next TD item. Okay, nothing else. Now go to on credit sides. Sales. Right on first line. By sales. Rupees 3,30,000. Now see next TC item. Now closing stock. Right here it is by closing stock. Rupees 61,000. Again we have to find out TDTC. Now free sample on credit sides. Right in middle line by free sample. Rupees 3,000. Okay. Again we have to find out the TDTC items. Okay, nothing else. We go to close the trading account. Total of credit shares comes to rupees 3,94,000. 3,94,000. Right on debit column also 3,94,000. From this one we have to subtract all of these items and answer comes is called GP rupees 86,500. It's called gross profit. Is a carried forward. It is transferred to PL account credit sides by gross profit is a brought forward rupees 86,500. Now try to complete the PL account debit side. First is a salary. We see sequentially word salary. PD item we have to find out. Salary separate is not given. Write sequentially. First is what is postage. Right here it is postage. Postage and telegram. Tick is given. We have to write inner column 2,200. Now see third adjustment. Postage stamps in hand. It is to be deducted from postage just like a stock of stamps. Stock of stamps rupees 700. Deduction comes rupees 1,500. Okay. Now see sequentially PD item. Now export duty. Right here it is to export duty. Rupees 15,500. 15,500. Next is a rent and taxes. To rent and taxes rupees 7,200. Next is a insurance. To insurance. Tick is given rupees 4,200. Right in the column. Now see adjustment. Prepaid insurance rupees 900. We have to subtract prepaid rupees 900. Deduction comes 3,300. Okay. Now next is a to discount. Right here it is to discount. Rupees 5,800. Okay. Now see in adjustment PD item. Free sample is a PD. Right here it is to free sample. Rupees 3,000. Again, we have to find out the PD item. Now write interest on capital. Interest on a capital. Partner's name is Raja at 5%. 5% on 2 lakhs. It comes 10,000. Second name is Rani. 5% on rupees 1,50,000. It comes 7,500. Okay. Now see next one. We have to write RDD to RDD. It's a 5% on datas. 5% on datas. We have to find out datas. 76,000. Answer comes rupees 3,800. Now next is a rate of depreciation. Depreciation on a machinery. It's a 5%. 5% on, see the machinery amount, 140 plus add wages rupees 5,000. It comes 145 on 5%. It will be 7,250. Okay. Now see again what's remain. Now interest on loan, we have to write debit side. Interest on loan is rupees 2,400. Okay. Now see credit side PC item. Credit side PC item. Nothing else. In adjustments. Okay. Now go to close the PL account. PL account credit side totals 86,500. Right here it is total words. Right on debit column also 86,500. From this total we have to subtract all of these items and answer comes rupees 19,250. It's a net profit. Right here it is to net profit. Transfer to capital account. Partner's name is Raja and Rani. Profit sharing ratio is equal. We have to divide equal amount of rupees 9,625. 9,625. We check the totals. Okay, answer is correct. Now we go to balance sheet. Balance sheet is like this one. Messrs Raja and Rani's balance sheet as on 31st March 2014. Liability side rupees. Asset side rupees. First we try to complete the asset side. On first placement we have to write fixed assets. We find the fixed assets. Now see goodwill is a long term assets. We firstly write goodwill. Rupees 40,000. Next is a land and buildings. Rupees 1,20,000. Next is a right plant and machinery. Rupees 1,40,000. Right inner column. We have to check the adjustment. Wages paid for installation of machinery, it should be added in machinery. Right here it is add wages. Rupees 5,000. Totals 1,45,000. Again we have to less depreciation. It's a 5%. It comes 7,250. Deduction comes 1,37,750. Now see next furniture is a long term assets. Furniture rupees 80,000. Now see sequentially cash in hand Right here it is cash in hand rupees 18,000. Next is prepaid rent. Prepaid rent rupees 3,600. Next is a sundry debtors rupees 76,000. Tick is there. We have to find out the adjustment. RDD at 5%. Less RDD at 5%. Rupees 3,800. Deductions comes to rupees 72,200. Okay. Now see. Complete. Now see in adjustment. Rate closing stock. Rupees 61,000. Again we have to see stock of postal stamps. Stock of stamps rupees 700. Again we have to find rate prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance rupees 900. Okay, now see next one. Nothing else. We go to on liability side. First we have to write capital. First name is Raja. Raja's capital rupees 2 lakhs. Right inner column. We have to add net profit. Rupees 9,625. Total comes 2,09,625. Again we have to add interest on capital 5%. Interest on capital. It's always 5% on opening capital 2 lakhs. 5% on 2 lakhs rupees 10,000. Additions comes 2,19,625. Second name is Rani's capital. Rupees. We have to add net profit. Rupees 9,625. Additions 1,59,625. Again we have to add interest on capital. 5% on 150, it's rupees 7,500. Now see totals. 1,67,125. Okay. Now see liabilities we have to find out. Creditors liability. Sundry creditors. Rupees 1,05,000. Again we have to bank overdraft. क्या bank loan? Right here it is bank loan. Inner column 40,000. We have to add interest on loan. Add outstanding interest. Rupees 2,400. And total comes rupees 42,400. Okay. Now in adjustment liability we have to find out. Okay, nothing else. Now we go to total of the asset side and liability side. Total of asset side and liability sides is to be equal. Okay. And total comes rupees 5,34,150. 5,34,150 is the total. That is a complete the answer. We close the answer sheet.